Welcome to the future of industry, where $2.8 trillion in global M&A by H1 2026 is redefining the landscape, driven by the unstoppable force of artificial intelligence, or AI, and mega deals that are reshaping the market. At the heart of this revolution is the pattern: increased tech adoption, despite economic uncertainties, paving the way for smarter, more resilient infrastructure, as highlighted in the 2026 Construction Industry Outlook. Let the numbers speak. Global M&A deal value in H1 2026 soars, a clear indicator of the industry's shift towards innovation, with AI and digital tools at the forefront of this growth spurt, reflecting the market size growth noted in Technology Growth Statistics 2026. Why this is happening? Flat spending environments in sectors like construction are forcing a pivot towards smarter, longer-lasting infrastructure, driven by data-driven planning and adaptive delivery methods, as seen in the flat 0.4% spending increase expected in 2026. And if you're watching the inference for the first time and you're into AI news, tools, and tech breakdowns, do hit subscribe. We drop a fresh one every day. Who's leading? From startups in Nairobi with AI-powered innovations to companies like Gritt, which launched with $32.4 million to build physical AI for infrastructure. The leaders are those embracing digital transformation and IPO strategies that disrupt traditional models. Where it's heading? Towards a future of physical AI for infrastructure, drone logistics, and humanoid robotics, as evidenced by investments and trend analyses in robotics and automation news, signaling a future where technology seamlessly integrates with physical build-outs. What could break this? Labor shortages, rising material costs, and uneven regional demand could potentially hinder the pace of this technological onslaught, unless mitigated by the very innovations they're driving, such as targeted regional strategies and adaptive labor solutions. The industrial tech revolution: bigger, smarter, and faster. The future is now, and it's being built on the pillars of AI, digital innovation, and the courage to transform. Stay ahead of the curve.